This is the background today we are going to use. I will give this link in the description, okay? And the first step, you have to go to add photo and select the model image. This is the model image. The first step, you have to scroll up, select the adjust option. Now select the saturation and decrease the saturation to -100. Okay, now tap on tick mark. Now stretch out, and you have to arrange this model perfectly in this portion here. Okay, you have to arrange it in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on eraser tool, tap on eraser, erase, increase the size, decrease opacity, decrease hardness. Now erase on the bottom portion like this, like I am doing in the video. You have to simply erase completely on the bottom portion. Completed. This is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. So we are going to arrange it like this in this portion. It's perfect. Now have to go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. Decrease the opacity, stretch out, and you have to arrange perfectly in the center like this. Decrease the opacity. Perfect. Now you have to tap on text option and you have to write the model name, Ganesh. Tap on done, tap on tick. Now select the font, okay? Tap on this up arrow. Now select the my fonts. I will give the font link in the description. Now select the toy box font. Select the color, white color, and arrange it in the center like this. Perfect. Now tap on opacity option. Keep the opacity to 50, or you can keep a little bit around 60. Perfect. You can bring little down or little up. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the king PNG. This is the king PNG. Arrange on the top right side top corner. You can bring little down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the floor PNG. This is the floor PNG. Simply stretch out and bring little down. It will be perfect. You can see. Now tap on floor and decrease the opacity little bit. Keep it around 50. Now tap on tick. Next step, go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. Model image. Now select the flip rotate option and tap on third one. Perfect. You have to arrange this model in this position like this. You have to arrange it perfectly in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on shadow option. Tap on position option and keep this around 105 and keep this around 100. Now select the adjust option and keep this 200 and keep it around 35. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select the shadow PNG. When this is shadow PNG, zoom in and bring it below the shoe. Tap on layers, tap on move down. Now again tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Tap on move down. It will be perfect. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And the final step, you have to go to the brushes. Tap on fourth one. Scroll up. Select the transparent bokeh effect. This one. Now keep the size. Decrease the opacity a little bit. Tap one here and tap one here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special dual text king crown photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before background, this is the final output. Now you can give the little touch up in the tools option and you have to go to adjust and give little touch up, and also as well as you can do some style to the hair by using the Autodesk app. Okay, now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.